Today on page 240, we're going to talk about positive and negative numbers. We will use these unit cubes to decipher if they are positive or negative. I will read through the directions on page 240. Positive and negative numbers. The temperature on Bob's thermometer shows 4 degrees above zero. The temperature could be written as positive 4 degrees and be called positive 4. So we can write it like this or say it like that. If you use a black cube to show a positive unit, so we will say positive numbers are black. It would say plus 4 cubes. We will move to the second one. The temperature on Tammy's thermometer shows 2 degrees below zero. The temperature could be written as -2 and be called -2. So we can write it as -2 with a minus sign or say it with a negative word. If you use a white cube to show the negative units, so white cubes will be our negative units. If you draw them, they will look like this. Let's pretend I'm going to draw a black cube. I will color it in so it's black. If I'm going to draw, and that's going to be positive. If I draw a negative cube and I want it to be white, it will be open. I will not color it in. That will be negative. Okay, so on questions 1, 2, 3, and 4, the directions say, let the black cubes represent positive numbers, just like at the top. So black cubes represent positive units, and the white cubes represent negative units. Write the number represented in each picture. Writing the number would look like a positive or negative sign. So these are your directions. Write the number there. Count 1, 2, 3. Positive numbers are black, so it would say positive 3. White blocks are negative. Count those. Write your number. White blocks are negative. Count those. Write your number. For number 4, black blocks are positive. Please write your number with a plus sign in front. On the bottom, it says, let the black squares represent positive numbers. So we're keeping it the same. Black squares represent positive numbers, and the white squares represent negative numbers. Write the number represented in each picture. These are exactly like these, except they show different blocks. So write your number here, positive or negative with how many, positive or negative with how many, positive or negative number with how many. Now, draw a picture to represent each number. If it's positive, please use the black squares. You will draw in positive 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 9 is showing you a -6. So you would make white squares -6. For number 10, you would say -5, and please draw 5 white squares. Please submit your answers via email or picture text.